Hi, Parsi JR. Happy birthday, my dear kumpare and friend, and just super supportive for so many years. Grabe, ang tagal na natin magkaibigan at magkumpare-kumare. I hope that you have a very special day. I miss you so much. It's been so long. Pasensya na din ako masyadong nakakapag-reply and post kasi super busy. But I do appreciate every single text and post, and I just appreciate all the love. I wish you good health, long life, and sana masaya ka dyan, at sana may time ka naman makadalaw ulit dito sa Manila. I love you and I miss you and I wish you all the best. Take care always, Parsi, and see you very soon. God bless.
Happy birthday.
JR, alam mo na yun. Ingat ka. JR! Happy birthday! Sana nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. Stay healthy, stay happy. Happy birthday.
Hello JR, happy birthday! This is Rhea. Kamusta ka na? I wish you all the best. Siyempre, good health, yan ang mahalaga. At saka enjoy life. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Hello JR, happy birthday! I just want to greet you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday all the way from Batanes.
Hi JR! Happy birthday sa pinaka-loyal at longest supporter ng Unang Hirit. Sana masaya ang iyong kaarawan, and I'm wishing you and your family continued health and prosperity. Take care. Always stay true to yourself, and continue to support Unang Hirit because you are a big part of that show. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat!
Hi, JR! Dito ako ngayon sa Portugal, dito sa Porto. Tapos naghihintay na lang ng tren papunta ng Lisbon. Pero syempre, gagawin ko na tong video greeting bago ko pa makalimutan. Happy birthday sa iyo. I wish you all the best. Syempre, lalong-lalo na sa iyong kalusugan at kaligayahan. God bless you always. Happy birthday!
Hello, ito po si Eagle Riggs at ako'y bumabati ng happy birthday kay June Romel Javier Galion. June, happy birthday sa iyo. Sana ikaw ay maging masaya sa iyong kaarawan, malayo sa lahat ng uri ng kapahamakan at punong-puno ng saya at pagmamahal sa iyong mga magulang at sa iyong sarili. Love yourself and take care of yourself. God bless you, June. See you soon.
Hello JR, happy birthday. Parang kailan lang nung batang-bata ka pa na nagpupunta ka sa studio ng UH. Pero ngayon, you're all grown up. I hope you will really enjoy your birthday, and I wish you good health and happiness. Enjoy! Happy birthday, JR!
Hi JR! Babatiin lang kita ng isang happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed this very special day of yours, and may God continue to shower you with His blessings. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday JR! Ingat ka lagi ha, at lagi ka magdadasal. Ang wish ko for your birthday is good health and happiness always. At sana bilang ikaw ay parating nakasuporta, sana malaman mo rin that we also support you as our little brother. Ingat ka lagi. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Para sa ating UH Barkada na talaga namang simula pa lang ng una kasama na natin, happy birthday Brother JR Galion. In behalf of the Unang Hirit Barkada, happy birthday. We wish you nothing but the best. More blessings sa iyo at sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. We miss you. We look forward to spending more time with you. At syempre alam namin na sa mga darating pang taon kasama ka namin. At syempre healthier and happier years for you, brother. Enjoy your special day. Mamula sa pamilya mo, sa mga kabarkada mo dito sa Unang Hirit, mahal na mahal ka namin. God bless you.
3, go. JR! Happy birthday! Nako, salamat talaga sa pagmamahal, sa suporta at sa loyalty mo sa Unang Hirit. And of course, I am praying that all your wishes and prayers be granted. I'm wishing you all the best. May you always stay safe, healthy, happy. And namimiss ka na namin dito sa Unang Hirit. Sana makadalaw ka na sa amin ulit. Ha? JR, we love you. God bless you.
Hi, JR! JR, happy birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Si JR, birthday na.
Hi JR, happy birthday!
JR, happy birthday!
Love you! Happy birthday!
God bless!
Hi JR, kamusta ka? This is Kaloy. Gusto lang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Maraming salamat sa patuloy mong suporta sa unang hirit at now na kami ay parte na rin ng pamilya. We are thankful sa continuous support mo kahit may mga bagong mukha na sa kinagisnan mong pamilya. Happy birthday. Sana ay magpalakas ka palagi para you can spend more birthdays to come in the future. Tsaka ayun, sana bisita ka dito soon. And God bless. And once again, happy birthday. Mwah.
Hello, JR. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. May you have more birthdays to come. See you soon.
Hi, JR Galeon. Naalala mo pa ako? Oh my gosh, we have the same birthday. Kaya happy birthday. Thank you for still remembering me. I appreciate you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day sa June 20. And more blessings on your way. Stay healthy always. And minsan, bisitahin mo rin kami sa kada umaga ang aking bagong TV show. Hindi na bago. It's been 4 years na. But pwede na panoorin yan sa Net 25. Kaya happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. More blessings to you. Hi, JR.
Hi, JR! Happy birthday! Eto na naman tayo. It's me again. Ang tagal na ng friendship natin. And hindi na tayo bumabata, no? Lahat tayo tumatanda. So, dapat ingatan natin ang health natin. And I pray that you will know Christ in a personal way so that the moment you know Him and you accept Him, you will have eternal life. That's the promise of John 3:16. And I hope you will come to read the Bible because, you know, it's amazing to know that, you know, the moment you read the Bible, you will know God's breathed words. Nandun na kasi lahat, nakasulat na. Kasi hindi na nga nagpapakita si God sa atin ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, di ba? So, always have a blast and enjoy your birthday kahit hindi mo birthday, okay? This is Marisa Sanchez.
Hi, June Romel. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, JR. Enjoy your day.
Hi June, happy birthday sa iyo ah. Sana lahat ng mga kahilingan mo sa iyong kaarawan ay matupad. Bigyan ka pa ng mas maraming kaarawan sa hinaharap at higit sa lahat, maayos na kalusugan sa pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. Hangad ko ang iyong tagumpay sa lahat ng mga ninanais mo at muli, happy birthday sa iyo, June.
Hi, ako po si Mon Gualvez ng TV5 at ng 1PH at binabati ko lamang ng happy birthday, Sir June Romel Javier Galion. Sir JR, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come at syempre talaga pagpalain ka pa ni Lord ng mas marami pang blessings that you deserve, good health, peace of mind at syempre happiness, no? At sana talaga makita tayo naman next time at thank you for always supporting me, no? Sa lahat ng larangan. Happy birthday. Magpakain ka naman, sir.
Yeah, Joseph to. Happy birthday. Enjoy day yung pangkalase.
3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday to you, Sir J.R. Galion. May your days be filled with good vibes, good food, at good company with your loved ones. At syempre, sana dumami pa ang blessings mo. Thank you sa support and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, JR!
Hello everyone! Mama Benny here from Retro Fitness International. Happy birthday, JR Galion, June Romel. Enjoy your day and I'm wishing you all the best in whatever your heart desires. My friend, maraming salamat for always being there for me and cheering for me. And of course, I appreciate all your shares and likes and your posts about me. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Stay happy and healthy. I hope to see you again very soon. Mwah! Take care of yourself, my friend. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to my dear friend, J.R. Galion. I love you. Happy birthday. Mwah.